In this lecture, we are going to see how we can create a new coordinate system inside Ansys mechanical software for both the versions which is 18.2 as well as the latest version of 2021 R1. So for that, right now I am in the Ansys 18.2 version of Ansys mechanical, and if you want to create a coordinate system here, you just need to come to the outline tree and just click on the coordinate systems group. And once you click on the coordinate systems group, you can have access to the create coordinate system option here in the context menu toolbar. So you can click on this particular option and you can create different coordinate systems, right? So this is one way in which we can create a coordinate system. Coming to the another way, what you will do is you will just right click on the coordinate system, and there is an option called insert, and using the insert option you can just click on a coordinate system, and likewise you can create the coordinate system inside Ansys mechanical in the older versions of the software. Now what I will do is I will just select both of these two coordinate systems by pressing Ctrl, and I will just right click and say delete both of them, and I will click yes. Okay, fine. Now I will switch to the newer version of the Ansys Workbench software. Coming to the newer versions of Ansys mechanical software, whatever the options that we got there in the older version of the software, the same options are present, but the position has changed a little bit. So if you want to create the coordinate system, first you need to come to the coordinate systems group in the outline tree, and once you come here, see the context menu toolbar is containing options that help us to create the coordinate system. So you need to come to this particular tab, and in this particular tab there is an option called as coordinate system, and if I click the coordinate system, now we will be able to create the new coordinate system. And if you observe, once I click on create new coordinate system, different options that are available for manipulating the new coordinate system are highlighted here. Then the next way in which we can create a coordinate system is nothing but similar to the older version, where we will come to the coordinate system group in the outline tree, and we can right click and we will say insert, and we will click on coordinate system. So these are two different ways in which you can create a new coordinate system inside Ansys mechanical latest version of the software. So now what I will do is I will just select both of these options here by pressing Ctrl, and I will just right click and delete both of these options and click yes. So this is how you can create a coordinate system inside Ansys mechanical software for both the new as well as the old version